In this video, we're gonna learn how to log into MarvelSnap with Google. It is really easy to log into MarvelSnap account with Google account, so let's jump right in. Simply go ahead and open your MarvelSnap app from the app drawer. Wait for it to load, and once you end up on this page, to log in with your Google account, tap on Sign in with Google at the bottom. Now, select your Google account that you'd like to log in with and tap on it. You can also enter a new Google account. Simply enter your credentials for your Google account, and soon after you do that, you'll be able to log in to your MarvelSnap account using Google. That is how it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.